Hello, hi. I'm Dr. Michael Gu. I'm from Los Angeles, California. Just wanted to talk a little bit about this course. This course is awesome. I've been to pretty much so many courses I can't even count, but this is one of the best courses I've ever taken. If you think about starting your zygoma implant career, I think this is definitely the way to go. Even you just thinking you want to just get a little bit, kind of explore your what's out there. This is definitely the way to start. And also for those ones who are experienced, you can always learn something new. And the faculty here are awesome. They're very knowledgeable. So if you have any questions or anything like that, they can pretty much know everything, provide an answer for you. And also the supporting staff, they got this course pretty much very well organized. And yeah, it's an awesome course.
Hello, my name is Dr. Najib Hussain and I'm coming from South London. I run a referral practice over there, and it's an oral surgery referral center which has more interest in implants, sedation. When I came to this course, I found that it's a different world. It gives you immense confidence after having done the cadaver courses, as well as to do the hands-on, as well as to learn from the expert like Dr. Carlos Aparicio. That I now feel very confident that I can go and offer this treatment modality.
Hola, mi nombre es Diana Arcila, soy periodoncista de Colombia. Actualmente trabajo en Australia como odontóloga y bueno, vine aquí a España a aprender sobre los implantes zigomáticos, los implantes pterygoideos con el Dr. Carlos Aparicio y en el ZAGA Center. Excelente, 100% recomendable a todos los que quieran venir. Muy buena información, muy buenas prácticas, buena evidencia científica, de todo mi gusto. O sea, vengan.
Meu nome é Tony Veiga, sou de Cabo Verde e tive a oportunidade de vir nesse curso, onde curso bastante interessante, que é uma oportunidade única que me ofereceram esse ano, foi um presente de 2025, com dos melhores profissionais que temos nessa área no mundo, o Dr. Aparicio, Dr. Lorean, também tivemos a presença do Dr. Luke e também do Dr. Clarós. Essa experiência foi magnífica, oportunidade única de aprender e de desenvolver tecnicamente, e tanto tecnicamente quanto intelectualmente. Espero ter mais oportunidade e saio daqui com mais confiança em fazer esse tipo de procedimentos em pacientes.
Hi guys, my name is Otorhinolaryngologist. I've come all the way from United Kingdom, London, to attend this course, which was it was a pleasure to actually be here, an honor to be here, and lots to learn for people, especially like myself, who just started the journey for extraoral implants. I found the cadaver session the most useful, especially when it's planned for the last day, because you've gathered all the information from the last 3.5 days, and you've gathered all the information and you've kind of implemented and into the cadaver session. What I would say is the hospitality and the care that this lot has shown to us is the best I've received for some time. And I would recommend this course highly to anybody who's starting or already has embarked on the journey for Zygomatic and Pterygoid implants. Apart from that, good social event followed some rigorous training for the first 3 days, long days, but worth every minute of it. And I wish you all the best, and I hope that I can carry on with this journey as well. Thank you.